Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well in the lock sport community. A little bit of a different video today. It'll still be a picking video at some point. The title of the video, as far as padlocks concerned, what's the best bang for the buck? I mean, I thought about all the locks I have, what I've opened, but purely on the best built lock, security wise, for the buck. What can you get out there between the 50 and 60 millimeter range? And I came up with this beast, and I'll explain it a little further. Stanley, 1 pound, 14.7 ounces, 60 millimeters, 11 millimeter shackle, 6 pinner with some security pins, I believe. Now, I've picked a couple of these 24/7 securities on the channel, but they were both, I can't remember if they were the shrouded versions. This thing is currently selling on Amazon.ca for $20.50. That's the best bang for the buck, considering this thing is an absolute beast. Take a look at the construction. You got the spinner plate that just drives you nuts. It's just a well constructed lock, and it weighs a ton. Typically they're not easy to pick. I mean, every lock is different. But from the two that I've picked, I don't find them easy to pick. Like I said, they're 6 pinners, and even if you wanted to, if you weren't happy with security as far as the pins are concerned, you could quite easily just turn this into a beast with some minor changes. So what I'm asking is, I want to hear everybody's opinion on this one. Not only on this one, but what they think is out there for the best bang for the buck between the 50 millimeter, 60 millimeter range. And the main thing is the cost. What are we getting and how good is it? And I can't find something that's better than this out there for what I paid. Still, Amazon.ca, $20.50. It was free shipping to me. I don't think it can be beat. It's got the molybdenum shackle, and I don't think you're cutting this with a standard bowl cutter. The one thing I do hate about it is what it takes to gut. I can't understand. You got to pull the shackle out, so you do have to be careful when you're gutting this. And I'm not understanding why they put the bolt on this side, or if it had two. I can't remember. I guess we'll find out. Just gonna leave it as is. Typically they come with some good bidding. I mean, the Stanleys, your typical 0 cut to 9 cut, so there's varying in selection. Yeah, that's so I want to see what you guys think is out there and what's your opinion, because I'm sure everybody's going to have their own thoughts on the best bang for the buck. So I wouldn't mind you guys sharing that with me. Now I'm going to try to get into this. I'll just try and leave it the way it is unless it gets hit to the hour mark and we gotta put it in the damn vise, but let's give it a shot. So there's a click out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is springy, 6 is springy, memory starts to come back on this type of lock. Honestly don't think that light tension cuts it. It seems to have, even though I didn't open it for you guys because I left it in the package. Binder. That was number 4. Okay, I'm gonna reset that. I'm gonna see if I could use the shorter half. And of course it's not long enough. Got better control. That was 4, 1. Yeah, that picker's not going to cut it. The wording is set up that it's difficult to get certain picks in here. You're not picking it from the bottom. Mind you, I've never attempted this particular lock from the bottom. Couple of clicks out of 5. Gonna come back up top here. Okay, there was a couple clicks out of 3. Well, I spoke about not trying the bottom of the keyway, but I may do it because I'm having a hard time. I don't know if I should have took this damn thing out of the package, but 1, 2, 3. Two, 3 is binding. Still binding. Okay, 1, 2, yet to get a clean set out of pin 3. I don't know what the hell. Okay, I reset it. I'm not surprised. I think it's a pretty good lock. So yeah, I'd like to hear some opinions. If you guys have a lock in mind, something you want to show off or talk about, I just believe that for the price, man, this thing cannot be beat. Got a little bit of core movement. I'm wondering if I'm getting down to pin 6. And that was 3, 2, springy. I love the rotating plate. You'll be hard pressed to drill that out. I've got a full set, but it's just not. Well, talked about the gutting. I said, well, we can't gut it if we can't pick it. So that's gonna suck. Well, I've got a small false set, that's it. Trying to let off just a little bit. Not liking pin 3. I don't know if it's giving me anything decent up till now. It feels weird. And I don't remember. I think it's standard key pins, but There is something in here. Like I said, the problem is definitely not at the front. Okay. Don't panic. Shipment arrived. Got at least 60 new picks. It should be good for about 10 videos. So yeah, I have to get the tension right on this thing. I don't know. Try again from the top. Try it. Right to the back. The spinner really just, yeah, really great feature, but bothers the hell out of me when I'm picking this thing, I'll tell you that. And they're all the same. They all have this feel like now I'm jammed up. I don't have anything going on here. There's 2 clicks now. I'm starting to regret this. You can see that the spinner's always in your bloody way. This is not even a promo video for Stanley. It's my honest opinion on this frickin' lock. I know somebody's gonna pick it faster, but fucking plate. Nope. Can't get this fucking thing. I haven't had one pick in here It actually feels good. Yet. Yeah, just gotta keep playing around. Biggest bang for the buck. Ah, shit. I'm oversetting here. Keep dropping that second and third pin. Two is binding. Still have a false set, but I haven't felt anything else after that. having fun yet? Yeah, just go out and buy one, 20 bucks. Do a video on it, open it up in 2 minutes. And it's funny, I say every lock is different, I ain't kidding. I honestly don't feel that this thing is gonna open up. This bastard's got some heavy springs. I can almost say that you should be picking it from the bottom. Because you have the room. Just not working out. I've got pins set, but I know I've got pins overset. 1, 2, 3. Extremely strong springs. Brand spanking new. 18 thousandths. That's fucking strange. This is worse than picking it on a gate. Alright. I think we're warmed up. See, letting off too much on this just doesn't work. Starting to remind me of reminds me a little bit of the Abyss. Oh man. I think I'm gonna give it up, guys. Who said that? Fucking shit. I'm doing it real time. You guys get to just fucking pause it, go to the washroom, make a sandwich, and there we go. Whew. I don't know, just not an easy pick for me. So that being said, now I'm too tired to gut it, guys, so I'm not gonna do that. Okay, all right. Oh Jesus, you see, I told you guys, oh my God, fucking dropping shit everywhere. Yeah, I can hear King Street. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can hear King Street saying, you better gut it. Alright. Sorry, guys. Just dropped a whole bunch of shit. Just trying to get a screwdriver to see if I can bust these keys out. Because, you know, the way they put them in here, that should take another 30 minutes. Okay. So, oh, beautiful. I really want to hear back from you guys on this. So this is what I was talking about. It's just, I find it strange that that's the route they went. So now I have to go from this side, and I can't tell you what's going to happen because I'm actually a bit tired right now. Oh, got the right one. So now I don't remember. Do I have to? I better just relax. So that's the long pin there, threaded. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Oh yeah, this is not going to be fun. But I gotta do it. I think I gotta leave this in the open position to be able to get the spring out. Yeah, I probably won't even be able to frickin' put this thing back together. So while I do this, guys, I really appreciate some feedback on what you guys think as far as what's out there. Oh, Jesus. So you're gonna need 2 Allen wrenches, guys. Oh, okay. Now, I'm gonna hold that for a second. Let me see if I can get the key out. And these are the things I'm talking about. Again, bang for the buck. Look at the screw. It's a fairly heavy duty screw. And the end plug is fairly thick as well. Okay. Sorry for the long video, guys. I'm trying to think of what the hell happens next. Okay. Got a massive plate on the bottom. Okay, you've got your spinner. If I remember correctly, put your key in and pull the core out that way instead of turning it over. That's all I can tell you. I think it's best for everybody involved, because I did remember having a headache putting one of these back together back in the day. Okay, so this is what we got. This is just a beastly core. Well built. This thing weighs a ton. Okay, so let me try to take this apart. I know that that's not going to fit, and that's not going to fit. Hang in there, Rob. Hang in there, brother. 40 minutes, and we'll be all done. Okay, so that's going to sit there. You got your spring. Your other spring there. Carefully. And you know, you guys saw for yourself what I have an idea. Well, I mean, let's face it, we got to get better as pickers, but I noticed something interesting a couple of seconds ago, so let me just, okay, so I'm going to start from here. Okay, again, all steel pins or nickel silver. Maybe Rob had brought that to my attention. Okay, everything had to be picked. Okay, and I'm going to show you something that's now coming back to me. I was right about it. All standard pins. They're all steel. Are we in focus? Yes, we are. Okay. And I'll show you this so I only have to focus one more time. Yeah, so I remember correctly, 6 standard steel pins. Again, guys, sorry about the long video. Which way did I come out here? Okay. Barrel in 1. Standard in 2. All I know is that they've got something here. They've put the right combination in here. Standard in 3. The spring tension is brutal. Standard in 4. Huh. We got reduced diameter on both ends of this driver. With a steel spring in it. And a barrel pin in position 6. I'm going to take photos for you guys. So steel drivers, steel key pins all the way across, copper springs in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, steel in 5, barrel in 1 and 6, standard in 2, 3, 4, and a reduced diameter on both ends of this other driver, pin number 5. So I'm going to show you guys that. I will take pictures. Hopefully I'm not able to get closer because I've got this damn thing in my way here. Let me just trying to avoid catastrophic failure here. Okay, I'm going to pull this back a little bit. You can see the barrel pins in 1 and 6. will take close-ups for you. I find position 5 with the reduced diameter. And here's the kicker. Take a look at the chambers. They're all cut, undercut. Every one of them. Stock from the factory. So, what the hell did I do with the key? And this is typical of this lock. I want you to have a look. The key cuts on this are from 0 to 9. And they did exactly what I expected. Pin number 5 is a 9 cut. Let me see. Sorry, pin number 5 is an 8 cut. And that's where I struggled to get back up and catch that number 4 cut there. But I've seen worse, but this one's not bad considering it was in position 6, having to get all the way up. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to hear some feedback for you. This is the Stanley 24/7 model S828-244 60mm on Amazon.ca for $20.50. This is my pick for best value for the buck. 11mm shackles, 60mm, a pound 14 ounces, 6-pinner, spinner plate, steel pins. That's my thought, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the length. I wanted to be in depth. I knew I was going to get in there and it was going to be a while for me to get in and open it. Just didn't think it was going to be that long. But that's it, guys. That's basically my review and my lock that I consider best value for the dollar. Again, Amazon.ca, $20.50 in Canada. Ships free. I'm sure you can get it anywhere else in the world as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.